What we have here is a list of bolt action rifle guns, or just plain rifles, or something that I don't know. The first one is a Remington. It's a 30 Springfield. The model number is 8590, and it has a scope. The second one is another bolt action rifle. It's Marathon Products. It's a Sportman .308 with a scope. The next one is J. Stevens. I don't know what kind of type or model it is, but it's a 1915 is the model number. Next one is another rifle. It's the U.S. issued U.S. rifle Springfield. I believe it's an M1A1, maybe, possibly. I think it's what they used in World War II. Model number is 3068765. It has a scope. It's a 30 caliber. I'm thinking that's what they used in World War II. I'm not sure. Next one is Mossberg & Sons bolt action rifle. Model number is 183, D as in dog, B as in boy. Okay. Next one is another Remington bolt action. 22 short / long. Model number is 510. Target Master. Okay. These get into the old guns here. I don't know what kind of brands they are. This another, I think it's another military grade weapon, maybe possibly before World War II. It is 1837 is the model number, and again, single action USA military grade is the only thing I can find out of it. Okay, next one is a Loewe Berlin 1890 bolt action rifle. That's all that I have information off of it. Next one is another rifle, Modelo Argentec 1879. It's a single shot rifle. And then the last one is a kit rifle I believe he made out of a handgun. He converted it into a rifle type gun. It's a 6-shooter. And that's it. Part 4 will be shotguns. So hold on for that.